Hi everyone.
Hi everyone. I just wanted to come on to talk to you about soil, and most importantly about soil health today. Not only can healthy soil help you to grow so much stronger plants and better fruit and vegetables, but you can also be helping the environment at the same time. And that's not just from a point of view of growing trees and you lock in a bit of carbon, but it's about having healthy soil. So 40% of the carbon that trees lock in from the air is sucked right into the soil and used to feed that soil and keep things healthy. But if you have a healthy soil, you can bring in 3 times as much 3 times as much carbon into the ground, and that will keep it in there. So if you till it, it'll break it up again and it'll come out. So no dig is a great way to lock that carbon in here. You're taking away from the air, and you're therefore not just stabilizing climate change, but you're adding to reversing climate change, which is just one of the easiest things you can do. The second easiest thing you can do is compost your food waste. I couldn't say that anymore. So easy, so effortless to do. It saves space in your bins at the end of the day. So whether it's food waste, belly button fluff, grass clippings, or anything else that you think can break down, such as cardboard, certain types of cardboard, and anything else with vegetable stack, get it in there, and after a couple of months get it all on top of your raised beds, and it'll feed everything, lock in that carbon and reverse climate change.